Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google guy here, and I've got an exciting one for you today. How would you like to create a hub chatbot with up to 3,000 sources that it could actually look through, and you can share it out within your domain, maybe as that all-knowing piece? Let's dive in. So what can we do here? Well, here's what's really kind of cool. If you look at the Gemini app, so gemini.google.com, if you go to the left of the screen, you'll see an option for creating gems. Now, for those of you that may not be familiar with gems, think of gems as targeted AI agents or tools specific to one need, not multiple like the Gemini app. And with gems, you have the ability to create new gems of your own making, and you can add down at the bottom middle of our screen up to 10 sources. So if we click on that, you'll see it's going to give us an option to upload files, add files from Drive, import code, and brand new NotebookLM. The NotebookLM piece is huge. Why? Because of this. Gems, typically, you can upload up to 10 files for reference. Well, now you can add up to 10 notebooks as reference, which each hold up to 300 sources each. So you literally could create a knowledge base for a single gem of up to 3,000 sources. And oh, by the way, what's the bonus to that? Well, think about it. Maybe you need an HR hub for all of your benefits or all-knowing company data-wise, something of that nature. You can share it out within the domain so all of your users have access to it. And oh, by the way, the big bonus is that you will actually see inside of your apps the Gemini icon in the side panel. And any gems that you have available, you can find those and utilize those on the right side of my screen there. You'll see those and use those inside of your Workspace applications. So imagine having that tool available for everybody that is working in email, in Drive files. Imagine what they could do with some information to really correspond with what their work product is. Thought I would just let you know about this because a lot of people did not realize that even though you can add a notebook into the Gemini app, so if I come back and click on that plus symbol, we can add the NotebookLM here as a source, which if you look at a previous video, I show you exactly how to do that and I speak to that. But here what we're doing is we're taking it a step further. We're creating a single gem with up to 300 sources per notebook, 10 sources per gem, equaling up to 3,000 sources, documentation and files and whatnot of information that you could throw at it. So I wanted to let you know what that was. I wanted to let you know that you had the ability to do that. Maybe this will excite you to be able to create something really big and powerful for your team, your department, your project group that you're working on, or maybe for your entire organization. Now, if you want to multiply that, think about how many different gems that you could actually create. I'll leave that one hanging here for now and let your mind wander because really, we're trying to get you to open your mind to the art of the possible. So with that, folks, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and week. And until we meet again, this is Gary the Google guy signing off and signing out. And go create a gem. You might be surprised at how powerful that tool can be and connect it to your notebooks that you got. And now you're going to be super powered with your gems. Take care, everyone.